Imagine a blast so powerful it flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, yet left no crater, no impact site, and no clear evidence of what caused it. The Tunguska Event of 1908 remains one of the most baffling mysteries in Earth's history. Was it a meteor, a comet, or something even stranger? Join us as we dive into the heart of Siberia to unravel the enigma of Earth's most mysterious explosion. Before we dig into the incredible details of the Tunguska event, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest investigations into the most mysterious phenomena on our planet. If you love diving deep into unsolved mysteries, you won't want to miss this. Stick around as we explore the theories behind this massive explosion. Welcome to the Tunguska Event, Earth's most mysterious explosion. On June 30, 1908, an enormous explosion rocked the remote forests of Siberia, near the Tunguska River. The blast was so powerful that it knocked people off their feet and shattered windows hundreds of kilometers away. Yet when investigators arrived at the scene, they found no crater, no fragments of a meteorite, just millions of trees leveled in a radial pattern. What could have caused such devastation? In this episode, we'll explore the different theories that have been proposed over the past century to explain this mysterious event. From natural phenomena like meteors and comets to more speculative ideas involving alien technology and even mini black holes, the Tunguska event has sparked endless debate and fascination. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the leading explanations and why the Tunguska event continues to be one of Earth's greatest mysteries. The Tunguska region of Siberia where the event occurred is one of the most remote and uninhabited areas on Earth. On that fateful morning in 1908, witnesses reported seeing a bright blue light streak across the sky followed by a massive explosion. The blast was estimated to be between 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, about 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The shockwave from the explosion was felt as far away as England. Despite the magnitude of the explosion, it took nearly 20 years for the first scientific expedition to reach the site. Led by Russian mineralogist Leonid Kulik, the team was astonished to find a scene of utter devastation. Trees were snapped like matchsticks and lay in a radial pattern away from a central point. However, there was no crater and no evidence of an impact, leaving scientists with more questions than answers. What could cause such destruction without leaving a trace? One of the most widely accepted theories is that the Tunguska event was caused by the airburst of a meteor or comet. According to this theory, a space rock entered Earth's atmosphere and exploded at an altitude of about 5 to 10 kilometers, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. The explosion flattened the forest below, but because the object disintegrated in the air, no impact crater was formed. This theory is supported by the radial pattern of the fallen trees and the accounts of witnesses who saw a bright light in the sky. However, the meteor theory has its complications. No fragments of the meteorite have ever been found, and the absence of any meteoric material at the site has puzzled scientists. This has led to alternative theories, one of which suggests that the object could have been a comet composed mostly of ice and gas. If a comet exploded in the atmosphere, it might have left no solid debris, explaining the lack of physical evidence. The presence of unusual silicate and magnetite particles found at the site supports this idea, as these could be remnants of a comet. But not everyone is convinced by the meteor or comet theories. Some researchers have proposed more exotic explanations. One such theory is that the Tunguska event was caused by a natural gas explosion. According to this hypothesis, methane gas could have seeped out from beneath the Earth's surface and ignited, creating a massive explosion. While this theory might explain the lack of an impact crater, it struggles to account for the bright light seen by witnesses or the intensity of the blast. Another intriguing theory suggests that the Tunguska event was the result of a mini black hole passing through Earth. Proponents of this idea argue that a small, dense black hole could have traveled through our planet, causing an explosion on its way in and another on its way out. However, this theory is highly speculative and lacks supporting evidence, as no second explosion or exit point has ever been found. Then there's the more sensational theory involving extraterrestrial involvement. Some have speculated that the explosion was the result of an alien spacecraft crashing or some form of advanced technology being tested. While these ideas capture the imagination, they are not supported by credible evidence and remain in the realm of science fiction. Studying the Tunguska event has been fraught with challenges, not least because of the remote location and the delay in investigating the site. The first expedition didn't occur until 1927, nearly 2 decades after the explosion, meaning much of the immediate evidence had already been lost to time and the elements. This delay has made it difficult for scientists to gather definitive data, leading to a wide range of theories, some of which are contradictory. Another challenge is the lack of eyewitnesses. While a few accounts were recorded, most were from people living far from the explosion site, and their testimonies are fragmented and sometimes inconsistent. The lack of photographic evidence or contemporary documentation further complicates the task of reconstructing what happened. These gaps in the historical record have allowed for speculation and alternative theories to thrive, each with its own set of adherents. The debate over the cause of the Tunguska event reflects the broader challenge of studying rare and unexplained phenomena. Without clear evidence, even the most well-supported theories remain just that, theories. This uncertainty has kept the Tunguska event in the realm of mystery, attracting both serious scientific inquiry and more outlandish speculation. Despite the challenges, advancements in science and technology continue to shed light on the Tunguska event. In recent years, computer simulations and new models have provided stronger support for the airburst theory, suggesting that a stony meteor or comet exploded in the atmosphere, causing the massive destruction without leaving behind a crater. These models help to explain the lack of debris and the radial pattern of the fallen trees, making the airburst hypothesis the most plausible explanation to date. Additionally, studies of other similar events, such as the Chelyabinsk meteor that exploded over Russia in 2013, have given researchers modern examples to compare with the Tunguska event. The Chelyabinsk meteor caused widespread damage and injuries despite being much smaller than the Tunguska object. Observations from Chelyabinsk have reinforced the idea that airbursts from meteors can cause significant destruction without leaving a crater, lending further credibility to the meteor theory for Tunguska. While the mystery of the Tunguska event may never be fully solved, each new piece of evidence brings us closer to understanding what happened on that fateful day in 1908. The event serves as a reminder of the power of natural forces and the ongoing need to study and prepare for potential impacts from space. The Tunguska event, with its mix of scientific intrigue and mystery, continues to capture the imagination, fueling both serious research and speculative theories alike. As we wrap up our exploration of the Tunguska event, Earth's most mysterious explosion, it's clear that this event is not just a puzzle of the past, but a cautionary tale for the future. Whether it was a meteor, a comet, or something even stranger, the Tunguska event reminds us of the powerful forces at play in our universe and the importance of scientific inquiry in understanding them. Though over a century has passed since the explosion, the Tunguska event continues to spark debate and fascination. Its legacy lives on, inspiring both scientific investigation and popular imagination. Thank you for joining us in exploring this incredible mystery. We hope you've enjoyed the journey into one of Earth's most enigmatic events. If the mystery of the Tunguska event has captured your curiosity, there's plenty more to discover. Check out our other videos on unsolved mysteries and strange phenomena from around the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future explorations into the unknown. What's your theory on the Tunguska event? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the most fascinating mysteries of our planet and beyond.